Caramanico Sons is a fourth-generation, family-owned and operated full-service commercial landscaping company for over 75 years. From mulching, mowing, enhancement designs, to snow and ice management, Caramanico is ready to work with you in every phase. Our goal is to have your landscaping portray your company's commitment to detail and excellence. We realize that landscaping not only enhances how your building looks, it gives customers a first impression of your company. Keeping your commercial property looking its best is a year-round commitment. As the Greater Philadelphia area's trusted leader in landscaping, you can rely on our services and partnership to take your property to the next level. Manage your business from the inside, and we will take care of the outside.